Hello gamers, players of Stalker 2 are currently facing a significant bug in the Zalissya area that is preventing progress in the main story. This issue primarily revolves around the monolith defense system, which players cannot utilize, effectively locking them out of essential gameplay elements and further exploration. Let's overview the Zalissya bug nature of the bug. The bug manifests as a malfunction in the monolith defense system, which is crucial for completing missions in Zalissya. Players report being unable to engage with this system, leading to frustration and inability to progress. Impact on gameplay. Many users have found their save files soft-locked, meaning they cannot continue their quests or access important areas such as the bunker on Wild Island. This has resulted in a widespread call for solutions and fixes from both players and developers. Next is community response and workarounds. Players have been actively discussing potential workarounds on forums and social media. Bidding AI. Some players suggest creating noise to lure enemies out of buildings where they may be stuck, thus allowing for mission progression. Console commands. For those comfortable with technical solutions, using console commands to eliminate stuck NPCs or teleport to different locations has been recommended. However, caution is advised as these commands can lead to unintended consequences. Persistence. Reports indicate that some players have succeeded by repeatedly attempting to interact with doors or by staying close to the Zalissya area during missions. The Zalissya bug in Stalker 2 highlights ongoing challenges within the game that many players are currently navigating. While temporary solutions exist, a permanent fix is anticipated in the forthcoming patch. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you.